So next we are going to replace my 1984 water spigot that is for the freshwater intake. Jana's looking to see what drill she needs because we have to drill that out to replace it.
It's rivets instead of screws.
Rivets instead of screws. Jana, you want to open that and let me show them how it's chipping away? See, that whole thing is just chipping away and it won't stay shut, which is not healthy. Contaminants, animals, everything can get in there.
Sitting on the job.
Okay, so we have come inside and under the bed because there is
Look how short this hose is.
Yeah, and that hose is attached to the water tank, which is attached to the outside funnel, and she's got to be able to attach it to the new funnel. And so fun in River City. So she got the water hose off, and now we'll pull it through. We had to dump some water out of the tank. I had a full fresh water tank.
Short, tiny little hose.
Oh God, I can just hear the Dan van saying, that's what she said.
You're not gonna believe this.
What?
I'm gonna have to cut that hole out.
Oh.
Never ever is it easy.
Oh. Jana's having to use a file because the saw,
I can't get it in between the...
yeah, wouldn't fit.
That's alright, it's working pretty good.
Comes the arduous task of switching over the hoses from the old to the new.
I am not happy with this.
You're not liking the setup?
Yeah, I mean, why would you allow this thing to come out of that? That's just silly.
So the kit came with, we bought, came with a Turnabond, and then Jana will put it on and then caulk it. Is that right?
Correct. Get one started.
Hoses and belts and stuff underneath the bed for Phoenix, and now Jana is going to reattach these two hoses, and this project will be done.